Hello guys, my name is Balakrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with PK. So in this video, we write the Java code solution for question 5 of ICSE 2023 Computer Applications paper, which is to define a class to overload the function print as follows. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers, only 1 or 2 are subscribed, and a subscription is very important. So please subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So read this question, take a minute and read this question completely. Alright, so we have to overload the function print as follows in a class. So I'm going to write a class question 5. You can name the class anything you want. I'm naming it question 5 because this is the solution to question 5. Okay, overload the print function as follows. So two functions with the same name print but different arguments. Okay, so this does not have any argument, this takes integer as an argument. Okay, so I say public void print, okay, and public void print int n. Okay, now the first one is to print the following format. So you have 5 lines of output. First line has 4 ones, then next has 4 twos, 4 threes, 4 fours, and 4 fives. Okay, it is not 5 ones, it is not a 5 into 5 loop, it is a 5 into 4 loop. Okay, so obviously you can write 5 print statements to print this out, but I don't think you will be getting full marks because it's a 15-mark question, right? Half the marks for this function, half the marks for this function. Okay, so you will have to write a nested for to print this pattern. And whenever I solve pattern questions, I always request you to observe the output first. Output happens left to right and top to bottom. Okay, so you have to print this line first, then this line, then this line, then this line, and then this line. Okay, so we have 5 lines in all. So I say for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Okay, and in each line we have to print I 4 times. So I say for int j equal to 1, j is less than equal to 4, j plus plus. Okay, I do system dot out dot print. Okay, not println, because I want to print 4 ones in the same line and then change the line. So I say print I with a space, and then when each line is printed, I do system dot out dot println. Okay, so my first print method is done. The next print method takes an integer n to check whether number is a lead number, and a lead number is the one whose sum of even digits are equal to sum of odd digits. So sum of even digits is 6 plus 6, odd digits 3 plus 9. Okay, so in this case, in the second method, we will have to extract the digits from this integer n. We have to count odd digits separately, even digits separately, and then check if those separate sums are equal. So I take int sum odd digits is 0, int sum even digits is 0. Okay, extract digits using string. Okay, so you can extract digits of this integer using string, or you can extract digits using a while loop. Okay, so I will show you this method first and we'll learn the code with this, and then I will show you this in the end. Okay, so you get string, so string n str is string form of n, which is blank plus n. Okay, now to get each digit in this integer n, we iterate this string, pick up each character, which is basically a digit of n. For int I equal to 0, I less than n str dot length I plus plus. Okay, I'll say char digit char is n str dot char at index I. Okay, for example, if this n was 3669, n str becomes 3669. Okay, string form of this integer. Now that I pick up each character of this string, okay, I get characters as 3, 6, 6 and 9 in each iteration. Okay, so digit char takes these values in each iteration. Okay, so I can get digit as digit char minus 0. Okay, so this is a very standard way to extract a digit out of its corresponding digit char. Okay, so if digit char is 3, this becomes integer 3, and this works because you are subtracting the ASCII values. Okay, so now that we have the digit, we check if digit percent 2 equal to 0. If this is an even digit, if digit percent 2, that is when you divide digit by 2, the remainder is 0, it means it is even. You say sum even digits plus equal to digit. Else, so a number, an integer can be even or odd. So if this is not even, this is odd, so you say sum odd digits plus equal to digit. Okay, I'll say to do, I will do this at the end. And finally, if sum even digits equal to sum odd digits, okay, system dot out dot print n plus is a lead number. Okay, else n is not a lead number, not a lead number. Okay, so you just have to define a class, you don't have to write the main. So this is your solution, this class is your solution, but I am going to write a main to test this. So public static, so this is my code for the main where I call this first print method, okay, that does not take any arguments, and it should give me this pattern. Okay, and then I call the second print method to check whether if this value n is a lead number or not. Okay, I'm passing 3669, the example mentioned here. All right, so let me compile this first. Okay, compiles, running this. Okay, so I get the pattern as needed and it is a lead number. Okay, I'll say print ln. Okay, does not really make a difference, we are just printing the output. All right, so let me check for another number, say maybe 4893. Okay, 8 plus 4 12, 9 plus 3 12. Okay, so Java C, Java is a lead number. Okay, let me check for say 3140. Okay, 3 plus 1 should give you 4, 4 plus 0 should give you 4. Clear, compile. Okay, so this is the solution to this problem. So let me share the other method as well. Okay, so to extract digits of an integer, you can also use a while loop. I will say int temp equal to n while n not equal to 0. Okay, I say int digit is n%10. Okay, this is another standard way to extract digits out of an integer using a while loop. In this case, we extract the units digit in each iteration. Okay, and then we remove the units digit, okay, by doing integer division by 10. And since in each iteration I get a digit, I do this exact same thing. So if digit %2 equal to 0, it means if this is even, I add to some even, else I add to some odd. Okay, and finally I set n to temp because n goes to 0 when the while loop terminates, because the terminating condition is n not equal to 0, and we are dividing n by 10 in each iteration, taking away the units digit in each iteration. All right, otherwise you'll get 0 is a lead number or 0 is not a lead number. Okay, so let me clear, compile, run. Okay, is a lead number, taking the original case again. Okay, clear, compile, run. All right. Okay, so I have explained these two methods to extract digits out of an integer in detail in a separate video. I will add the link of that video in the description. You can check that out. Okay, so this was the solution to this problem and I hope this was helpful. And if you want me to solve this question in Hindi, please let me know in the comments. I will add a video solving this question in Hindi as well on my Hindi YouTube channel. And I will also add the link for the code for the solution, alright, so that you can download the code. And if there was anything which was not clear to you in this video or you have a doubt, please don't hesitate to ask your doubts in the comments. And you can always mention in the comments if there is a question you want me to solve or if there is a concept you want to discuss. And if there is anything that you totally disliked about this video, please just don't press the dislike button. Please also let me know in the comments what was it that you did not like about this video so that I can improve in my further videos. Thank you.